Good morning, children. See, yesterday uh, we were dealing with this particular third chapter, the seed of truth. So today, again, I am continuing the same lesson. Today, I am going to take the second paragraph. So please, all of you, open page number 33. Page number 33. Please look, all of you, at the text. The king was an avid gardener. He spent a lot of time tending his garden, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees, and vegetables. One day, after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed, "I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the kingdom. The one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within these 3 months will become the prince or the princess." So children, see what this particular king has made plan. He is to give seeds to the children because he has no descendant, he has no heirs who will continue his kingdom, and therefore he has made a plan to distribute seeds to the children to grow plants. See the first line, you see, the king was an avid gardener. He was very much experienced and expert gardener. See, avid, meaning is there. He was very expert. He was very experienced gardener. So he spent a lot of time tending his garden, taking care of his garden. Taking care. Garden or plants. So he was very good caretaker of the plants, planting the finest flowers, fruit trees, and vegetables. So many things he was cultivating in his own garden, this particular king. One day, after he finished working in the garden, he proclaimed, he announced. You see, proclaiming means announcing. He told to the people that I am going to give some seeds to the children to grow plants. She proclaimed. He announced. He told them. And so children also gathered over there. I will distribute some seeds to all the children in the kingdom. So he had already decided to give seed, each seed to every child, so that they can grow. So he is going to give them. The one who grows the biggest, healthiest plant within 3 months will become the prince or the princess. So what is going to happen? That the one who will grow within 3 months a plant will become the heirs or the successor of this particular king, and he will become the prince in that kingdom. Next paragraph will come. The next day, there were a long line of anxious parents and children outside the palace. See, very next day, very anxious parents. They were very curious, very anxious parents. They were very worried. And they were standing in the line to receive the seed. The next day there were there was a long line of anxious parents and children outside the palace. So, just outside the palace of the king, there were many who had gathered to get that particular seed. Everyone was eager to get a seed and grow the best plant. So, all those who were there, everybody will get, and so they were very much anxious and they were very eager to grow particular plant. They were happy as well. Next paragraph. Pingala, a poor farmer's son. So Pingala, he is a boy, as I told you yesterday. Pingala, this particular boy was very, very curious. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was among these children. So this particular boy, Pingala, was also among these children to receive the seed. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening and grow beautiful plants in his backyard. So he was also very much interested to grow plants. He has got this particular seed from the king. So dear children, I will continue in my next class. Thank you very much for paying attention.